Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to use 1Password on Windows. First, download and install the 1Password application directly onto your Windows computer. Once installed, you will either create a brand new 1Password account or sign in using your existing credentials. The most crucial step is setting up your unique master password. This single password is the only one you will ever need to recall, granting you access to all your stored information. Now, let's explore how to store your valuable information. You can easily add new login credentials, create secure notes for sensitive text, or save credit card details. To keep everything tidy, utilize the various categories available, making it simple to find what you need in just a few clicks. For an extra layer of organization, you can even attach important files or documents directly to your entries. Next, we'll integrate 1Password with your web browser for maximum convenience. Install the dedicated 1Password browser extension, which works with popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. This extension allows you to automatically fill in your usernames and passwords on websites, saving you valuable time. It also helps you generate incredibly strong, unique passwords for any new accounts you create, enhancing your online security. Finally, let's touch on some advanced features and security aspects. 1Password's Watchtower feature actively monitors your saved items, alerting you to any weak, reused, or compromised passwords, helping you maintain robust security. You can also securely share specific items with trusted family members or team colleagues. Remember, your 1Password data is always accessible across all your devices, ensuring you have your information wherever you go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.